Went down to Mexico on the 4th of July. I got a tattoo of a moth and a butterfly. Had a little time to burn, a little money to spend. Yes, I bought a switchblade for each of my friends. Down and a plan so we're gonna get rich. Put the double cross on the double cross and knock a snitch. It's just a dirty little two-man job, but it's a short highway. Brother, when we cut them down, we're gonna cut you in. Got down the trunk as we were. Switchblade for each of my friends. They were sharp enough to stab another hole in the sky, hard enough to make another diamond side, faster than the rockets on the 4th of July, strong and cruel enough to make a statue of Mary cry. Said I'm real, I'm sure, and now I'm gonna disappear. Couple of months, they said, now it's been almost a year. And I know that if you want that kind of money, man, you gotta stay paid. Federalize the boat, bodies out of shallow graves. Statue of Mary. Later in the fall, I got the call, boy, won't you calm down? Maybe put a name with a few unlucky faces we found. Now no matter what I do, I can't get my heart to mend. Somebody bury a switchblade in each of my